Hey, Gaurav this side, and in this video, we are going to be talking about that how you can book qualified appointments for your services with the help of videos. So, whenever you are having a conversation with a potential prospect over Facebook Messenger or either on Instagram or LinkedIn, so the number one thing that needed to be removed, that is a trust barrier. So, why somebody should jump on a call with you, or either the person is a right fit for you or not. So, how you can pre-qualify that. So many times this happens when we were starting our journey. So we were booking so many calls. Calendly was just every time full. But after jumping on a call, after having just 5-10 minutes of conversation, and it was just after that realizing it was just a total waste of time. Just because there were no pre-qualifying parameters, so the somebody like would get aware that what kind of services that we provide, what kind of value this call is gonna be, what is the agenda of the call is gonna be. Just because of these parameters were not set, and it results with unqualified meetings. And after jumping on a call, and that you would be getting ready that I have a call at this time, but the prospect is not aware what this call is all about, and the other person is not aware about what is the agenda of the call, what you are trying, what's your offer is, and what you are trying to sell, what why other person has booked the meeting. So either it is a value call or what it is gonna be. So these are some of the challenges a freelancer or service provider face in the initial stage of the time. And there are gonna be like so many calls, but either the calls are qualified or not, how you can just make it sure. So there are a very simple way whenever you are having a conversation on a messenger, on Instagram, or any of the other platform. So there are three ways you can have a conversation. You can showcase your work, whatever services that you are providing. The number one thing is that is chat. Whenever you are having a chat with somebody, and there are most probably there are chances, and every person has their notifications on. So whenever you are sending a message to someone, and there are most chances that person has already seen your message, and then it results with a sometimes ghosting, and the other person is not replying, and that you have said that uh, we can connect on a call, you have shared your calendar link or anything else, but that results with the other person is ghosting you because you have said everything on a message, and now other person is not aware that what are your services, any of your past work and all. Second thing is you can use the audio method, and that you can speak, cause when you are speaking you are directly communicating, and cause in a written format, so many times freelancer or service provider, they just copy paste, they just google go on Google, or somebody has provided any sales script, they just copy paste from there, change the name, and they just directly paste that, instead of making that personal connection over there, so you can just build a relationship quickly. So if you want to just remove that barrier, remove that trust barrier, so the other person would be open to connect with you on a call. So then very effective way you can use the Loom. So Loom is a video recorder, screen recorder software. You can install a plugin. Let me show you on my screen as well. So with the help of Loom, like every month you can reduce your number of meetings. It can save your time, and just you can share your screen, you can share your work, and with the help of that, just recently shared inside my group as well, and that how the number of meetings, just it is just gonna be saving your time, so you can utilize that time just while having the conversation with a potential person who can actually convert, instead of just jumping on a random calls and just getting without any sales, right? So in that way you can here you can see there is a plugin, and you can just install on your Chrome browser the Loom extension, and if you'll be just clicking on it, you can start recording your screen with the help of that, right? Let me take you a quick demo. So here are few of the things, like you can select your screen or you can select your camera. If you want to just record your screen, you can record, and in a free version you will get your 5 minutes of time. In that 5 minutes of time you can leverage the time, you can showcase your work, and while delivering it is kind of like a right pitch that you want to, you can give a free audit with the help of that. And if somebody had reach out to you just for a designing and purpose thing, let me show you like the recent one, like, and somebody had reached out regarding the like can you design a ebook cover. So the instead of telling yes I can design it for you, instead of just speaking with the help of audio, or instead of just writing in the chat, yes I can do it for you. If you can showcase your work, that is the best thing that you can do in your business. And within just like if you can say it is just a 3 minute of video, and within 3 minutes you can showcase your work. Hey, hope you are doing well. I have seen your like business and that you are looking for a this design, and let me show you some of the previous one that I've worked. So and after that, when you have shown your work, then you can invite other person on call. If you are ready for it, we can jump on a quick 5 to 10 minutes of call, and then we can discuss further about it, and we can discuss about pricing and all, right, instead of just telling everyone. So when your video is ready, and with the help of just extension, you can record your videos. And here, after recording the video, you can get your you can edit your video, you can trim it, you can, if you want to trim it, if you want to make any kind of basic editing, you can do directly over here. And then you can just copy your link from here, and you can send it to the prospect. And when somebody would be watching your videos, then after that you'll get a notification on your email that other person has watched the video. Then you can start doing the follow up. So in that way, and you are communicating directly with, you are directly speaking, you are directly showcasing your work. So other person, you are just directly removing the trust barrier, and you are decreasing that time. So you not waste much time on just hustling here and there and just follow up, right? So after that, you'll be preparing just within 3 minutes. You can showcase your work. You can just tell what exactly that you are offering, what kind of work that you have done, and then you can invite other person on call. Let's connect on a call, and then we can discuss further about it. Right. So this is a very effective way. You can use Loom software for that. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe the channel. I upload various helpful videos for the freelancing and service business. See you in the next video. Bye bye.